Have you ever found yourself in the pitch-black darkness of a power outage during a fierce storm, with no way to see your surroundings? That moment of vulnerability can turn chaotic, but a simple beam of light changes everything. It guides you to safety, helps you find essential supplies, and even signals for help. Today, we explore the critical role of flashlights in emergencies, a tool that has saved countless lives and evolved into an indispensable part of survival. Flashlights serve as more than just portable lights. In emergencies, they provide illumination when electricity fails, allowing people to navigate through debris, locate loved ones, or avoid hazards. Whether during natural disasters like hurricanes, earthquakes, or floods, or in everyday crises such as car breakdowns at night, a reliable flashlight ensures visibility and reduces panic. Emergency responders rely on them to search for survivors, and individuals use them to signal rescuers with Morse code patterns like SOS. This unassuming device empowers people to take control in unpredictable situations. The story of the flashlight begins in the late 19th century, a time when portable electric light seemed like a dream. In 1899, British inventor David Missel, living in New York, patented the first electric hand torch. It consisted of 3D batteries housed in a paper tube, with a small incandescent bulb at one end and a reflector to direct the light. Missel assigned his patent to the American Electrical Novelty and Manufacturing Company, which later became Eveready. This invention built on earlier advancements, such as the dry cell battery developed by Georges Licklinge in the 1860s and the miniature incandescent lamp. Before Missel's design, people depended on candles, lanterns, or oil lamps, which were cumbersome and fire hazards. The flashlight offered a safer, more convenient alternative, though early models were unreliable due to weak batteries and filaments that burned out quickly. Early flashlights earned their name because they could only produce brief flashes of light before the batteries drained. Users had to conserve power by turning them on sporadically, making them ideal for signaling but not for prolonged use. Despite these limitations, the flashlight quickly gained popularity among police officers, firefighters, and night workers who needed hands-free illumination. By the early 1900s, companies like Eveready marketed them as essential household items, emphasizing their role in safety. The origin reflects human ingenuity in harnessing electricity for mobility, transforming darkness from a barrier into something conquerable. Over the decades, flashlight technology has advanced dramatically, driven by innovations in batteries, bulbs, and materials. In the 1920s, improvements in tungsten filaments made bulbs brighter and more durable. The introduction of alkaline batteries in the 1950s extended runtime significantly compared to the original zinc-carbon cells. A major leap occurred in the 1970s when Energizer developed the first waterproof flashlight, making it suitable for outdoor and emergency use in wet conditions. The 1990s brought halogen bulbs for even brighter light, but the real revolution came with light-emitting diodes or LEDs. In the early 2000s, LEDs consume less power, last longer, and produce intense beams without generating much heat. Modern flashlights incorporate rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, solar panels, or hand-crank mechanisms for power generation without relying on outlets. Some models feature USB charging ports, adjustable focus beams, and even built-in compasses or emergency radios. Tactical flashlights, designed for military and law enforcement, include strobe functions to disorient threats or signal distress. Innovations in materials like aircraft-grade aluminum make them lightweight yet rugged, able to withstand drops and extreme temperatures. These advancements have made flashlights more reliable in emergencies, where every second counts and power sources may be scarce. Beyond technology, flashlights hold deep cultural significance, symbolizing hope and guidance in times of crisis. In literature and folklore, light often represents knowledge, piercing ignorance, or safety emerging from danger. Flashlights embody this metaphor in real-world emergencies, offering psychological comfort by banishing fear of the unknown. During major events like Hurricane Katrina in 2005 or the 2011 Japan earthquake, survivors recounted how flashlights helped them find food, water, and paths to evacuation. In search and rescue operations, beams cut through rubble to locate trapped individuals, turning potential tragedies into stories of resilience. Flashlights appear prominently in popular culture, especially in movies and survival narratives. In films like The Descent or 127 Hours, characters use them to explore dark caves or signal helicopters, heightening tension and underscoring their life-saving potential. Horror genres exploit flashlights for dramatic effect, with flickering beams revealing hidden dangers. Documentaries on expeditions, such as those to Mount Everest, highlight how specialized flashlights endure freezing conditions and low oxygen. Culturally, flashlights remind us of humanity's triumph over nature's unpredictability, fostering a sense of preparedness that transcends borders and generations. Several fun facts about flashlights revealed their surprising versatility in history. The world's brightest flashlight, capable of producing over 100,000 lumens, can illuminate objects more than a mile away and even start a fire by focusing its beam. Astronauts on the International Space Station use flashlights designed for zero-gravity environments where traditional lighting might fail. Some models operate without batteries entirely, powered by kinetic energy from shaking or winding a crank, ensuring light during prolonged blackouts. Interestingly, early flashlights were marketed as novelties for children, but they soon became standard in military kits during World War I for trench navigation. Another intriguing detail is that flashlights have inspired inventions beyond lighting, such as the development of portable medical devices like otoscopes in forensics. Ultraviolet flashlights detect hidden evidence like bodily fluids or counterfeit money. A lesser-known fact is that the term flashlight originated from the device's intermittent use. While in Britain, it is called a torch to evoke its flame-like predecessors. These details highlight how a simple tool has sparked creativity and adaptation across fields. In summary, flashlights play an essential role in emergencies by providing light, safety, and reassurance when chaos strikes. From their humble origins in 1899 to today's high-tech innovations, they have evolved to meet the demands of modern survival. Their cultural impact, seen in real rescues and cinematic tales, underscores their value as symbols of hope. Fun facts remind us of their unexpected capabilities, proving that this everyday item deserves a place in every emergency kit. If this video illuminated something new for you, hit that like button and subscribe to stay prepared with more insights on everyday objects that shape our world. Share your own flashlight story in the comments below. Has one ever helped you in a pinch? Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep shining bright.